Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WordPress with Bluehost step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Bluehost website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Enter your domain name if you have one. If you don't have a domain name yet, select I need a domain. Fill in the required information and click Next. Choose your desired package and any optional add-ons. Review your order and proceed to create your account. Fill out the account information, including your email and password. Enter your payment information to finalize your purchase. Once your purchase is complete, log in to your Bluehost account. Navigate to the My Site section on the dashboard. Click on the Create Site button. Follow the prompts to set up your WordPress site. Enter your site name and tagline, then click Next. Select your domain from the drop-down menu. Choose the plugins you want to install and click Next. Wait for Bluehost to build your site. Once completed, click on Log into WordPress. This will take you to the WordPress dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections of the dashboard. To customize your site, go to the Appearance tab and click on Themes. Browse and select a theme that fits your vision. Install and activate the theme to apply it to your site. To add new content, go to the Posts section and click on Add New. Write your post title and content. Add images by clicking on the Add Media button. Once finished, click Publish to make your post live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.